वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्।
चलिए आज हम एक नई पर्सनैलिटी यानी सिद्धार्थ गांगुली जी से मिलते हैं। सिद्धार्थ जी यूनिवर्सल सोल ट्री फाउंडेशन के कर्ता धर्ता है। इन्होंने ही इस फाउंडेशन की संरचना की और आज इस फाउंडेशन के जरिए इन्होंने रमेश नागाथल्ली जी को विश्व भारतीय गीतांजलि राष्ट्रीय प्रशस्ति पुरस्कार प्रदान किया। तो सिद्धार्थ जी आप ये बताइए कि आप अपने जीवन के बारे में और नागाथल्ली साहब सर को आपने जो प्रशस्ति पुरस्कार दिया उसका क्या कारण था?
एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सल सोल ट्री फाउंडेशन एक सामाजिक और पारिवारिक एनवायरमेंटल काम के लिए हम लोग बनाया। तो उसी काम के जरिए वी हैव कम अक्रॉस ए पर्सन an exceptionally amazing person, नागातीहल्ली रमेश जी के साथ हम लोग को पहचान का एडवांटेज मिला है। वी हैव गॉट एन एडवांटेज ऑफ एक्वेंटिंग with Sri Nagathihalli Ramesh ji from Karnataka. He is a versatile personality because he is a poet by himself. He is a lyricist of songs. He is a filmmaker, short filmmaker. He is social and political activist also, and he is interested in environmental developmental activities as well as agricultural developmental activities. So उनके साथ बात होने के बाद, उनके साथ परिचित होने के बाद हम लोग सोचा था that this versatile personality needs to be honored properly because he has received honors from all over India. Only West Bengal रह गया था, तो हम लोग क्यों पीछे रहे? So उसीलिए in West Bengal, Calcutta, we have organized, honoring him with a विश्व भारतीय Gitanjali Prashasti Puraskar of 2025. We feel really proud and honored to be able to honor him with our award. रमेश जी से इंटरेक्शन होने के बाद हम लोग को थोड़ा न्यू चीज़ समझ में आया. Actually, we in Calcutta or in Bengal, we feel proud about our culture, and cultural exchange is nothing new to us. But Ramesh ji के साथ बात होने के बाद what we have seen is he is trying to connect people from all cultures, not only by culture but by humanitarian relations and activities also, involvements also. So ये हम लोग को बहुत एक amazing feeling हुआ है, and he feels in each and every bit of the social and our own humanitarian activities. So he has become very much fond, and he has shown his great respect for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his patriotism, and for Rabindranath Tagore for his poetic and literary flairs. And he has gone deep studying about them, and we got involved with him with that. So we were really amazed with his very close interaction. He not only came from India, from Karnataka, he has brought with him, with his perspective, from Uttarakhand, from Odisha, from Jharkhand, from Bihar, and obviously we are there from Bengal. So we are reconnecting each other, not only by cultures, but by our activities, by our literary work, by our social activities, by our humanitarian feelings, and we have exchanged our great feelings with him during our interaction with him. So it was a great time spending with him, Ramesh ji, and I am really privileged that we could meet you and have such a close interaction, a scope of close interaction with you in Bengal. So I would like to request you to have a few words about the award you have received, how you felt about it, and what you feel as your experience being in Bengal.
Thank you very much, Siddharth Ganguly, for your kind words about me. And thank you very much, Pitambar ji, also. Thank you very much, Behan Meenakshi ji. Really, मेरा जीवन धन्य हो गया. सच्ची बात है, दिल से बात करता हूँ. मेरा जीवन धन्य हो गया. क्यों ना मेरा जिंदगी में बहुत सपना था. मेरा रियल हीरो सुभाष चंद्र बोस. मैं रियल पोएट्री गुरु सदगुरु सभी हैं रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर. कन्नड़ में कुवेंपु है, बेंद्रे है, शिवरामकांत है, ज्ञानपीठ में. लेकिन ये साइल पूर्व इतिहास है. Freedom and literature and cultural everything. Particularly in the name of Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore ने विश्व भारती गीतांजलि मिल गया ना, मेरे जीवन सार्थक हो गया. सार्थक हो गया.
Thank you very much.
Why? Because, but in this, I'm going to dedicate this award to my Kannadiga peoples and especially all India farmers, because I basically came from farmers family. What I feel to sadly say that no one government, the central government, state government, Pele government, no one government never give justice to our farmers. Mahatma Gandhi told that our Hatma farmers, they're the backbone. But today, a lot of tragical things happening. There will be no minimum fixed rate for their craft. वो फसल का कनिष्ठ निश्चित ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡು. ಆ ನಿಷ್ಠ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳು ನರಸತ್ತ ಹೆಣ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರೈತರ ಕಣ್ಣೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಲಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಆಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂತೆಂಥ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರನ್, ಅನೇಕರ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಬಲಿದಾನಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗಿನ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೀಡಿ. ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜವಾದ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್, ವೈ ದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೂ. ನೇತಾಜಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೂ. Rabindranath Tagore ji, whatever the thing, those who sacrificed, struggled, lot of different way. They have उसको सपना था, वो सपना खलास हो गया अभी. वो सपना चालू होते हैं. Younger generation we have to carry to our childrens. Now only the childrens are our only things, because we middle people we know little bit, but younger generation and children they never know that. One day they know who is Gandhi, who is Subhash Chandra Bose, like that happen. We have to carry, and my humble in this award distribution, I'm requesting kindly give minimum justice to our farmers, and minimum justice to the last corner of the people. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆ ಪೇರು ಅಂತೇವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಉಣಿಸಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದುಕಾಗಲಿ. I'm not against any party. I'm not leftist. I'm not rightist. I'm lifeist. I love everybody. I never hate anybody. I have connections with all the parties. Who is going to do good things, we are going to support. Who is going to bad things, we are going to bad. Because sometimes our faith is God. The moment is our faith is killing. What we believe with the politician, they are not tomorrow. Yesterday is the good. Today, tomorrow like that.
Exactly.
This is the thing happen in Karnataka also. 30 years ago, such a beautiful, wonderful person, or Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Today is the worst politics. He never know what is socialism. He always say, I'm a Samaj, never Samaj, Vyadi. It means if I say that, I've got a lot of pain. Because I worked for him. I struggled for him. I made war with for this person, Mr. the former Prime Minister Devadaji also. But today, he killed our faith. Siddaramaiah killed people. So many, they are one of the worst of worst people. He kept in the position of Sahitya Academy also. Worst of worst people, Sahitya Academy also. Such a thing, sir. That is, better he is going to resign and take rebirth in the election, my demand. I'm not supporting anything. I'm not belongs to any party. I say sincerely, I never belongs to any party. Who are going to do the good things, I'm going to say. Simply, yes, what I observing, when Narendra Modi government, all Padma Shri Award and Rajya Sabha members and MSc, they never sailed. They pick one, each is part of Karmarati part. I thought that it's a beautiful things. What about in Congress party? They made in action, sale. Action. ऐसा नहीं है. पद्मश्री सेलेबल नहीं है. राज्यसभा सेल हमने अभी पैसे के लिए पैसे. You see the tragedical, I'm openly challenging. What I'm saying, now I'm got when I visited Nature the Subhash Chandra Bose, I reckon, who know what is the Congress history? Now who is the man? I will challenge you. 50 years ago, what is the amount of his asset? Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge ji. What is the asset? Today, what is the asset? The people that not enough. His son also in minister. Siddaramaiah made his son also MLC. They are selling, we are Congress, we are Samajwadi. What is it? Bullshit. They never know Shantaveri Gopal Gowda. They never know Lohia. They never know Jaiprakash Narayan. But they are telling that in the name. So, I'm not cursing them. I'm not blaming them. I request, just realize yourself. Do something to this society. Mr. Kharge, you earn a lot of now. You don't, you distribute your own Dalit people, the last Karnataka people. Then I will proud of you. One day's death is confirmed for everybody. Everybody. You are temporary tenants here. humble request, just to do the needful to the last corner of the people. And then leave beautiful 3 steps here. Only 3 steps. Buddha, Lord, Subhash Chandra leave. There are a lot of beautiful steps here. At least minimum 1 step. My humble request, he is not fit for Congress party because his assert you calculated. He is always sticking for the position. Ever, whatever, in opposition or minister, whatever it may be. This is not the way. Give and take policy also there. Give and he never give opportunity to any Dalit. He only and his family. He and his family. For them, Rahul Gandhi is making president because they want money. They never give preference to honest and like A. Antony, one person is there, such a beautiful and wonderful person. His society is, I think, maximum 20 lakhs. They never give position because he don't have money. He's honest. My humble is love, care, concern, honest, प्रामाणिकता ना वो चाहिए मेरे को, स्वच्छता चाहिए, सभ्यता चाहिए. वो कुछ करना तो वो प्रेसिडेंट करता था. What is the qualification for it? Congress is a great history. Now who is going to president? And he is Priyanka Kharge. At least minimum courtesy. They have to sacrifice, give opportunity on same community. What Jyotiba told Pule Mahatma is correct. In future days, Jyotiba Pandit told her, our Rakshas are coming in our community only. Is a symbol. Say, Mr. K. Channaji, we say Buddha Prajna Ranga. He is the man of spirit. He is the man of courage. He is the real Ambedkar of Karnataka. He is the first MP. He connected Dalit, connected in general constituency and elected. And once in 3, first he elected MLA in Mudigere. But after that, he leave that place and taking challenges. He come to Hirio. He is the not man of talking. He is working. नाम के लिए काम नहीं कर दिया, काम के लिए कर दिया. वो भी मेरा भगवान है. Supta Pradya Kech Bangarat. Yeah, what I seen, whether the Dalit literatures, peoples, everything, they need money, award, position. They don't want to fulfill our community, Dalit community. No, in the name of Dalit, they are going to shining. They don't go. Same thing, literature happen, same thing, political. I'm not blaming. Do. My peoples are still struggling. Still they're crying. With their crying, they are going to do, play Rangoli, Goli. They are in their crying water. They are going to play holy. It's not the way. I'm impressed. Do something to the society. The last corner of the people, do. And then die. ಈಗ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವೆ ಮುಡಿಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ವೆ ಮುಡಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. My humble request, I'm not blaming anybody. In this aspect, I've got some spirit. I'm crying also. What the people sacrificed, what we are doing, including myself, I'm going to realize. I am searching what is my black dot. So, it means I'm not in Mallikarjun never do injustice for me, but in the interest of nation, interest of our community of Dalit, I'm talking about this field. I'm not belongs to any party. First of all, I'm not belongs to any party, any organization. I'm not leftist, I'm not rightist, I'm lifeist. Just I'm observing it. It's my few thoughts up here. So, Udona, Kattona, Balona, Belagona, Satavange, Satrachange, Satkiyange, Jilcharange. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's share together. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Rameshji, for your nice gesture. I think we will carry this message forward to our society and to our future generation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
যদি তোর দাগ শুনে